Beats, baby.
I like Asian and Jamaican things. I like the way that she wear 'em. I like Asian and Jamaican things. I like the way that she wear 'em. I like Asians and Jamaican things. I like the way that she wear 'em. I need peace. If I'm feeling stressed, I take a flight to the bay. See the pain when you look in my eyes. I've been through a lot, so I'm always high. I pay out right for the cars I buy. Tryna burn my skin. I don't play with knives. I like Asian.
What's up, my people? Then it's your boy Kai's Vlogs, Kamani's Vlogs. Yeah, man, we're back with another banger. Today's video is gonna be in two parts. It might be in one video, but I don't want the video to be too long, so I'm gonna do it in two parts. So obviously the first part of this video, don't know if you follow me on TikTok or if you have me on Snapchat maybe, but we are going to Walsall. There's a big car meet going on. I'm not sure who the people are that are hosting it, but big up to the people that are hosting it. Big up to the food court. I'm not sure what the shop's called, but I'll try to put it in the video. But big up to them, man. Big up to the people, everyone that's coming. It's going to be a good video, you get me. And it is currently, let me flip the camera. It is currently Saturday the 14th of February. It is Valentine's Day. Sadly, I don't have a Valentine's, but to me, it's Saturday, you get me. It's literally just a normal Saturday to me. Don't really bother me, you get me. Currently outside my boy's yard right now. I'm just waiting for him to pull up. As you can see, we're outside, you get me. I'm just currently waiting for him to pull up, man, you get me. But yeah, people them, like, subscribe, turn post notifications on. To the people them as well, a lot of people have been telling me that I say you get me too much. Yeah, it's one of them ones, isn't it? It's just in my vocabulary. People are saying that, oh, it's the area that you're from. I don't know what it is, innit? But I just always say you get me. But that might be my little slogan, you get me. Still saying, I didn't even mean to say it then. But yeah, man, people, I appreciate every single one of you. Everyone that's liked, comment, subscribed. I appreciate every single one of you, man. Honestly, you don't know how much it means to me. But like I say, we're a small channel now, but it will all be worth it in the end, man. You get me? It will all be worth it in the end. A couple of things as well. I want to shout out to the people on my TikTok who have been there, who've been supporting me for a while. People I want to shout out as well. I want to shout out to, I think it's JV and Biggs. I think I've got that right. If I haven't got that right, that's my bad. Big up to these, man. You get me. Really wanted them in the video today. Obviously they said they can't make it for today, but I want to big up to them, man. I want to big up to Zanny. I think it's Zanny. Big up to yourself, man. You get me. I see you liking all my posts, man. Big up to you, man. You get me. I do see. You get me. Big up to yourself, man. You get me. Much love and much respect, man. You get me. I want to big up as well. I'm forgetting names. Was it Wolverhampton bus lad? Big up to yourself as well. I see you always liking, commenting on my stuff. Big up to yourself, man. My boy's just pulling up now, you get me. He's literally right there. We zoom the camera on him. This dark ass figure just appearing out of nowhere and that. Alright, mate. What you doing here, boss? Taking your time, innit?
What you saying?
Taking your time, bro?
We're outside today, innit?
Alright, what you saying, bro?
No Valentine's.
Aye.
Guess what? It's still outside.
Bro, guess what, bro? It's just a normal Saturday for me, bro. You get me from? It's Saturday the 14th, bro. You're getting a bit too comfortable, bro. You're just dashing stuff in the back.
Bro, ain't
Yo.
too comfortable, bro. Mine whip too. Actually, fuck a seatbelt. Where we going though?
Seatbelt Tom, please, mate. Yeah, see, yeah, just yeah, that one there, yeah.
Thank you, sir. Where we going?
Where you taking me? I shout your thing, bro. You get me?
Shout me, bro. What? I parked my car outside, innit? My CLA. Couple man took it yesterday, bro.
Oh yeah. Couple man took a CLA in it.
I mean, I have to buy another one, bro. You know,
Oh, you got bread?
got bread like you, bro.
Yeah, man. So like, when you gonna buy it though?
What? By tomorrow?
Yeah.
Tomorrow 6 p.m. Live. Fresh one, bro. The black one. Oof. Beautiful, bro. Beautiful shit, man. There, bro. Roll the fuck out, bro.
People them will tune back in when we get to the location.
Course,
You get
bro.
me? Yeah, man. But wow. So people them, we're just outside my other boy's yard right now, and this Donny right here next to me got some AI clip or something.
clip. This is you,
Show them
what?
this AI video of me, bro.
January, what? 2023. That's you. That's you. Bow.
That's AI, innit, man? Them.
Bow. Man, that's a man's nyash, bro. That's you, bro. Back in the trenches. Yeah.
I man, that's AI, bro. That's not me. I swear that's not me, bro.
Yo, that is mad.
That's AI, bro.
That's mad. And you wonder why you outside in the 14, bro. You gay, bro. You getting no hoes, bro. You like niggas, bro. They're trying to seduce me, bro. Yo.
People then don't.
What happened there, bro? Therefore, that's all you, fam. And you wonder why we're gonna go to a car show on the 14th. Stop grabbing niggas' ass, bro.
What? 6'7"?
It's not making sense, bro. Lock in, bro. Lock in.
Nah, not timber, you get me? Not timber. So what? Smile if you get.
I knew, bro.
I swear, no, that's not me, bro.
You've been gay since day one, bro.
Oh, my man.
You're supposed to be outside with your girl. Be outside with me. You're outside with me for what, though? Fancy giving me what? Princess treatment.
What did he say?
What, though? Stop grabbing niggas' ass, bro. Lock in, bro.
You're getting in the back, yo, bro. You're getting in the back seat, you know, bro. You have to turn this off, like.
No.
Man's gone, bro. What, yo, how is she there? Yo, how is she there, bro?
Right here, bro.
Can't see you, bro.
Right here. Can't catch me lucky, you fucking cunt.
The 10 liar.
Let me drive when the boy comes. Let me drive.
Oh, you mocking me?
Got a license. Whoa.
Don't win it, man. I'm cool with them, man, innit?
Who's them?
See the people, them, the driving people, they said I can't drive in it.
Who's driving people, bro? Never heard of them, man, still.
So how
Yeah, you can get out here if you want. Yeah. I think just straight down, take a left. Bus stop literally on your right, bro.
What bus? 59.
Nah.
79.
Nah, it doesn't actually run. It's actually stopped running now. The last one was at like, what time is it now? Last one was at 6. Yeah. You know how to get home from there, right? Oh, there's a hut. There's a hut literally just over the road, bro.
There's a what now?
A hut.
What the fuck is that?
What was that again?
Wait, this one.
What, this thing here?
Yeah, no, this one.
Yeah, this thing here, bro.
Yeah.
That's the gear stick, bro.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that's the gear stick, bro. Yeah, mate. Take your time, mate.
I know.
Take your time. Introducing. Man just dropped his phone and that lowered. Introduce yourself, man. Yeah, man.
Niall, how's everyone?
Yeah, man.
Fresh out the shower.
Yeah, man.
Freshen. Smell these armpits, man.
Fresh out the shower.
Hey, people that were tuning in when we get there, man. It's currently 7:03. We're supposed to be there for 7, but
And I'm driving there.
Be there for 7. You told
yeah,
me.
Mama Fizz is driving.
Me, yeah.
Yo,
Can you hotspot, man?
what?
Hotspot.
Hot? What do you want? Who are you from? Yo, G, get away from my car, bro.
Hotspot.
No hotspot, bro. I'm man begging for. Yo, who?
Are you right?
Yeah, mate.
Huh?
What are you doing in my car? What are you man doing in my car, bro?
Me?
Hotspot, man.
Huh?
Quick.
What am I doing in your car?
What?
Plotting evidence.
Like,
Get your nick, mate.
say no more in it. So look at RS3 in that song. Jeez.
Honest dreamer, brother. We saying you defending Qazi. Eh? Fucking shukani.
Obviously, as you can see, people them. Alright, we're here, man. You get me? Say something to the camera, bro.
Yes, people.
Right, we're here, man. Yeah, man. Alright, monkey.
Really, nigga?
Is that RS4? I thought it was RS6 then. I was like, right.
I'm seeing rocks like I'm stepping on the seaside. I've seen the same ID86 about 3 times. PC Mikey knows who's rising on the street crime. This ain't no weed line, they're telling me the bee's nice.
Proper still. How greedy, fam? How greedy, bro?
That is mad.
I'm pulling up in Germans at the traffic light. Came from shifting gears on my pedal bike. Went from catching buses, now I'm getting navigation from the satellite. Really live my life in gangsters paradise. Till the day they bury me, I never follow fashion, I just...
Oh, is that a GTR, fam? Yeah, man. Oh my gosh, bro. Damn. I don't even know if the microphone will pick that up, but
Walk around.
it's over there still.
Big watch on deck, we don't rock with... On that RM and record shit. Let's go.
Big watts on deck, I don't rock with borers. I got 5 bad B's in the Eurus. Buy that strap if it's not extortion. New SK and it's looking all gorgeous. 012 on the man, them run this. Bad B's want me in their crutches.
Man said Fred's are here already, you know, fam.
KP Pride, KP Pride, KP Pride, KP Pride.
You don't hear my spill, that's why I got yacht with the stainless steel. This 15-inch of a head back pill. Target trucks in sizes for them. I don't know how the pagans feel. It's like 15 nil. I feel like Sawari's been in the field.
That was mad, fam.
What the fuck?
My drum's gone, bro. I didn't see that. Damn, what the fuck? Get some angles, bro. Get some angles, bro. I found like I Bailey. You see this? This could have been you, bro. This could have been you, bro. Fucking hell, fam. Man said the TTRS, not the TTS, the TTRS, you know. Oh! Hey, tell Harvey to come here, fam. I swear down, bro.
Valentine for real though.
Nah, for real, bro. Fuck Valentine's, bro. It's Saturday, bro. It's not Valentine's. It's Saturday, bro. My man's on it again, come. How greedy, fam. Bro, how greedy, fam.
Big boy Scraps, the one and only. See us. Ice. Check me out. Boom. I see these niggas going ham, trying to get their name popping like me. But like niggas having
Come on, bro. Go far, fam.
6'7".
Even the place, bro. Fucking hell, fam. What's that? Bossman's here, fam. Yeah, shout out Bossman, fam. Hey, you see the speaker? Blood clot. Oh my gosh. Come on, fam. Come on, bro. Let it out.
I pull up in a fast car, Formula One, and I ain't got the low spec, it's the other one. I'm trying to make enough though to buy my brother one, and next year I might go get a Cullinan. You want me to carry on?
Yeah, vintage flow, yeah, I got the Savage on. English grown, but the cloth Italian. Don't chat stats with me, that is not what man is on. But 3 classic LPs, let's not get the tally wrong.
This is nice. Oh, he's got the lifts on. He's slammed it right down to the floor as well. Look how close that is to the floor. How are you feeling today?
Bro, I'm happy, bro.
Yeah.
I can't lie.
Favorite car so far?
Favorite car so far? Fuck Valentine, bro.
Fat Valentine's. Oh, we need to get him a Valentine's. We might find you one today, mate.
The car name. The car says fuck Valentine. That's what we're rolling.
Here he is, Mr. Valentine.
I can't hear shit. I'm happy though. Very happy to be outside. Very happy, bro. That's a little bit of that's a bit of me though. Hey. That's a bit of me though, I can't lie.
This thing is not serious.
Oh shit, look at the R8.
I'm pulling up in Germans at the traffic light. Came from shifting gears on my pedal bike. Went from catching buses, now I'm getting navigation from the satellite. Really live my life in gangster's paradise. Till the day they bury me, I never follow fashion, I just follow vibes.
Police car's going. I was gonna ruin it, mate.
Big boy scraps, one and only.
I said the L.
Nah.
I see these niggas going ham, trying to get their name popping like me, but like niggas haven't got it like me. I see them in the West End trying to get the same shopping like me, but they couldn't never drop it.